Hello again, Year 4. I hope you're all well, and I'm going to talk to you about your literacy homework for this week. But before I do, I would like to mention some children whose work has been outstanding this week. From Hudson class, we have Ren. Ren, well done for writing a very imaginative continuation of Varjak's adventures. And to Oliver, for thinking very carefully about what you would put in your backpack if you had to go on an expedition. And from Rio Grande, well done to Karis, Jesutobi, Max and Munira for a great range of work you have submitted. Well done. Now, this Sunday will be a very special day for Samir from Hudson class because he's going to turn 9. Samir, have a great day. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday. And it would be very nice if Hudson class and Rio Grande class could send Samir a happy birthday message on Purple Mash. I'm sure he would appreciate your wishes. Okay, let's move on to this week's homework. Here it is. This week, you'll be looking at a book called The Bluest of Blues by Fiona Robinson. And this book talks about a life of a real person called Anna Atkins. And she's believed to be the first woman in the world to take a photo. So we can say she's believed to be the first female photographer. Unfortunately, none of her photos survive. However, at some point in her life, she became interested in a new technique called cyanotype printing, and her works using this technique survived, and you can still see them in museums and galleries in the UK and in the United States. And I'm going to show you an example of this print. And here it is. So you cover a piece of paper with a solution of special chemical and water, and then on top of that you put an object or plant or anything else you would like to catch the image of, and you leave it in the sunlight. And when the chemicals are exposed to the sunlight, the color of the paper changes to blue. And this is actually Anne Atkins' work. I think it's beautiful. I do encourage you to research her life and her work. As every week, there's 5 activities. I'm not going to talk to you about all of these activities, but I would like to focus on this one, number 2, illustrated. You need to imagine that you are Anne and you take photographs. What kind of images would you take photos of? You can sketch the things she might wanted to capture, or if you want, you can even take your own photos of different objects. It's up to you. If you have a camera, you can have a go. Now, this passage is about, I'm going to read it to you in a second, and it's about when Anna learns about the new technique. And she can't wait to go home and use it. And I would like you to think about why she is so inspired. Why can't she wait to go home and experiment with this new technique? If there's any words in the extract you don't understand, you can right-click on this link and it will take you to an online dictionary. Here we go. The gentleman opening the door to Anna and father has wild hair and a boa constrictor draped around his shoulders. He is Sir John Herschel, the most famous scientist in England, and he shows them into his laboratory. While he's known as an astronomer, Herschel has a far greater passion for experimenting. He especially loves to test the effect of sunlight on chemicals. His work is essential to photography's development. Anna listens carefully as Sir John introduces his most recent discovery, the cyanotype print. This process does not need a camera, just 2 chemicals, paper, water, and strong sunlight. It's quick and simple, and the final image will never fade. Sir John explains that the prints will always be blue due to the chemicals used. He uses the process to make copies of his astronomy notes, but Anna, inspired, sees a different purpose for cyanotypes. She can't wait to get home and experiment. Okay, so this is task number 3. And task number 4, created, which is your writing task. I would like you to write a short description of your hobbies and interests. What is it that you like doing? What passion do you have? Is it arts, crafts? Is it sports? Or anything else, really? You may choose to do it in drawing and writing, or on a computer, if you have access to it. Before you submit it to us, please give it to someone in your home to read. What do they learn about your interest from reading it? Please remember that you're supposed to complete all 5 activities in a week, 1 each day. Out of these 5 activities, you need to submit this one, the one I've just talked to you about, and 1 other activity of your choice. Good luck. As always, please email me if you have any questions. Good luck. Bye.